Now in this video we will learn about nested components or component composition. Now don't get afraid by the word. Component composition is nothing, it is used to ease the process. And let's say if you have 3-4 components, so instead of calling all those components into your application, what we do, we create another component which is known as nested component or wrapper component, which calls all these components in itself, and then in the application we can finally call that component only. So to save the time, what I have done here, I have created two components. lc.cmp is the first component. I have created couple of divs and unordered list here. It is simple HTML, there is nothing Salesforce here. So to this div I have given a class yellow, to this line item class red, green, orange. This is red, this is green, this is orange. And into our CSS, how do we create CSS? We have seen that we simply click on style, it automatically creates the CSS file for us. And here I have defined those classes: yellow, red, green, orange. So yellow, red, green, orange. I have given basically different background colors to each class. Okay. Now in another component, what I have done, I have simply defined an attribute by the name A1, which is type string, and I have given it a value default get skills fast, and I am calling this component v.who, displaying the value. Our name is A1, sorry, v.a1 here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create a third component, file, new lightning component, and let's say I call it wrapper component. Okay, submit. And here what I will do, I will call both the components C colon, we simply use C for the component calling. One is LC and another one is C colon LC2. Okay. Now in our main application we can simply call wrapper comp.cmp. So our app is here. Okay, and we don't need all these things, so we can simply call the component wrapper comp here. Save it. Now if I refresh, okay, hello everyone, let us open this here. And so this first line is coming from this lc.cmp. Hello everyone, in this video we will learn component composition. Let the fun begin. Then this is red, this is green, this is orange, and this get skills fast is coming from component 2, lc2.cmp, because we have given default get skills fast here. Now in the wrapper component, if you want, you can even override the value because you have referenced the lc2 component, so now you have access to its attributes as well. So if you want, you can override the value of A1. So let's say now I define A1 as this has been wrapped. If I refresh my page, you see this has been wrapped. So from where it is coming? Because in our wrapper component, in which we have called lc2 component here, in lc2 component we have an attribute named A1 whose default value earlier was get skills fast, but since we have called this component in our wrapper comp.cmp, so we can even override the value because now we have access to its attributes as well. So it is showing this has been wrapped. If I remove this from here, it will again show as get skills fast. Okay. So in this way, how component composition works. It's very simple. It's nothing, just you nest couple of components into one component, and in the application you finally call that single component there. Okay.